Hello, 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 hello. It's Rhonda said, and I'm back. I'm here to do another look with Gemini 2. Upside down and backwards. Gemini 2. I did a beautiful warm look over here at these russets, and I'm going to do a green look today to go with my camouflage sweatshirt. It's been a good day today. I got lots of rest. I have been following doctor's orders. I'm going to start with Bella in my crease. And I bet you're wondering, what exactly am I eating with this gastric bypass surgery? Because I have to retrain my stomach to eat food. And right now I am on the full liquids. And full liquids means that I am drinking lots of water. Lots of Crystal Light. Berry sangria is my favorite, if you wanted to know. I'm eating a lot of sugar-free Jell-O. Blended up chicken and stars soup. That's my favorite. Then there's a Progresso chicken, what is it? Chicken tortilla soup that's blended. That's delicious. I'm going to go in with schmood here. And I'm also eating some sugar-free pudding, which is delicious. Add a little whipped cream, you know, make it a little fancy. But I'm basically drinking protein drinks. I like Premier protein drinks and Fairlife protein drinks. And they are very good. Ooh, that is so dark. That is darker than my soul. And I just use schmood for that. Good Lord. Let's get into some green here. We're going to get into Almond Eyes. It's very beautiful, but it's so dark. This is a dark ass look. But I'm drinking, my goal is to drink 64 ounces or more of liquids. I'm supposed to be avoiding caffeine. I've been having a little bit of caffeine, but nothing like I did before when I was going crazy and ham on sodas. Let's get a blending brush going. And over 60 grams of protein. And each of my protein drinks is 30 grams of protein. And interesting fact, you can't process more than 30 grams of protein. You can't digest it more than that at a time. So if I wanted to try to get more protein than that, it wouldn't work. This is just dark as hell. I don't know how I'm going to recover from this. I guess I'm going to go back to some of these colors up here, like Ladylike. Oh, that's pretty. Ladylike. So if I tried to you know, get all my protein in at one time, it wouldn't work because my body wouldn't be able to process it. Man, this is just crazy how pigmented this stuff is. I'm gonna have to pull in some guns from outer space. I mean, some eyeshadows from somewhere else, because this is crazy. Let me get this tissue in here. Get a little smudge up there, it's real dark. I'm just gonna soften it up with a tissue. It just looks dirty. I'm gonna bring in some gold from this Tarte gold eyeshadow, and this is called something gold. I don't know what it's called, but it's beautiful, and it'll brighten up this look. Oh yeah, that's working to soften things up a bit. That's much better. Let's do it on the other side. That looks much better. Much better. Much better. Anyone like Drag Race UK? If you do, you got that reference. If you don't, then it just sounds like I'm doing a crazy British accent. Let's do some liner and mascara to pull this together. So anyway, the next stage of food, which will start with after I see the surgeon for my 2-week follow-up from the surgery, and it will be soft foods. So I'll be able to have like chicken salad and tuna salad, but they have to be kind of blended up. Make it as soft as possible for my tummy to digest. It's hard to talk when doing eyeliner. That is lovely. This turned out to be a pretty cute look. Let's do some mascara. I'm going to do some Monsieur Big from this little sample that I have, this little mini size. It's a beautiful mascara. definitely can't talk during mascara either. But that's the mascara. And then for the lip, I'm going to go with Gemini again for something kind of nude to go with this look. But also if you have like cottage cheese, and I can have yogurt now too. I forgot to say yogurt. So that's the next step. For healing my tummy. And this is the end of my second look from the Gemini 2 palette. Once again, upside down and backwards. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll